Yes, I am blessed and highly favored by God. You know why? Because I not have nothing. And people claim to say them have everything. Them don't like me. Wanna get me for? I still a try to figure it out. Wanna attack me? Why me? When I ain't got anything. Nothing. But God. Father God. But more ask you something. If you don't hate me at this level, this a level here, when me not have nothing. What am I gonna do when God elevate me and put me to a newer place, a better place than when me then know I don't like me? Where's I go? You know me not go myself when you not talk about me. No, me not do it. Me not go do it. Because you know why? This mean when you're there at top, you become the topic. When you are the head, you become the headline. So I'm not going to myself when I'm not talk behind my back. No, because I know already the back of me. Right round of his stay. Peace out. The difference between me and them. I have a eagle attitude and them a parrot. My advice to you is don't be a parrot in life. A parrot chat way too much, but can't fly high. But an eagle now is silent and has the willpower to touch the sky. Eagle fly alone at high altitude. They don't fly with other small birds. That's why I stay away from narrow-minded people, those that always try to bring you down. Eagle fly with eagle. Now I believe that little saying, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. So I keep you company. Eagle have vision. They have the ability to focus on something as far as 5 kilometers. No matter what, they will not move their focus from their prey until they get it. I have a vision and I will remain focused in my life no matter what obstacles and challenge I may face. I won't give up until I succeed. Eagles are fearless. It doesn't matter how big my problem is. I will never give up. Instead, I will face it. Because successful people, them not fear nothing.